In a bustling courtroom in New Hampshire, U.S. District Judge Joseph N. Laplante sat poised, his stern eyes focused on the legal briefs before him. The room was filled with a palpable mix of tension and anticipation, as was the case in many courthouses up and down the East Coast. Here, the latest chapter in a fiery legal battle over birthright citizenship was about to unfold. President Donald Trump's executive order, a controversial move to end birthright citizenship for children of illegal immigrants, had already been halted by federal judges in Washington and Maryland. It was a step to redefine the understanding of the 14th Amendment, a bedrock of American constitutional law stating explicitly, all persons born or naturalized in the United States, and subject to the jurisdiction thereof, are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. In the wake of Trump's directive, critics swiftly assembled in opposition, arguing that the president had overstepped his constitutional bounds. They contended that his executive order effectively robbed American-born children of their citizenship, challenging a right that many saw as unassailable. Judge Laplante's ruling came as another judicial reaffirmation that Trump's executive order was at odds with the widely held interpretation of the 14th Amendment. His decision to block the order was met with relief by the families affected, as well as civil rights advocates, who feared the broader implications of revoking citizenship. As word of the court's decision spread, outside the courthouse, demonstrators gathered, their signs held high, bearing slogans of support for immigrant rights and constitutional adherence. The atmosphere was a mix of victory and vigilance, for many knew that this legal skirmish was far from the end. The blocked executive order had sparked national debate, echoing in political arenas, on broadcast networks, and even in everyday conversations. It had set off a wave of questions about the power of the executive branch, the sanctity of the Constitution, and the very essence of what it means to be American. For Judge Laplante, it was another day overseeing a piece of history. For the nation, it was a moment of reflection and division, revealing the fault lines in an ongoing debate that bridges law, politics, and identity.